Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Voom Sonic brand, their Pro 7 Sonic Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush for adults. Has a 40,000 vibrations per minute head on there and 5 deep clean modes, and a 4-hour charge will last 8 weeks of use, which is amazing. Comes with a little instruction manual and the USB charger you're going to need with the USB-A port, which is nice because a lot of products don't have that anymore. Has the cable that goes to the weighted base right here. We're going to show you everything about this, but first I want you to know that it has a 1-year warranty from the manufacturer, and this product gets great customer ratings, and it's an Amazon's Choice product, and it's only 2 ounces of weight, IP7 waterproof, and it has a 30-second quadrant timer. So it alerts you when it's running. It'll shut down for a second, letting you know to move on to your next quadrant of your teeth and your gums, which is really nice. So if you've ever had one of these Sonic devices, they're pretty amazing. They've been proven to really help out with your gums and your teeth and the plaque on your teeth. And that 40,000 vibrations per minute is pretty amazing. So they use a special type of motor in here that vibrates that head. You can get extra brushes, and I'll have the link for that. There's a really nice quality, and I love the way they have it all tapered in there with it has a king shape on there, up and down, and that's nice to get into all the nooks and crannies of your gums and your teeth. And I've reviewed a lot of Sonic products, and very few of them are powerful like the original Sonicare brand. This one is, and I love this charging base on here. There's nothing that will expose this and make moisture or dirt. And then this is heavily weighted, and it's magnetic, and it just has magnets to line it up, and you just set it on there. And then you have that little blue indicator and a red indicator. This will turn off, and this will go to green when it's fully charged. Operation is extremely simple. As you'd expect, you have this button right here. You turn that button on, and it goes to the default, which is white mode. And then it goes, and then while it's running, you hit it again. It goes to clean, sensitive, gum care, and deep clean is similar to the first setting, but what it does is it goes, instead of 30 seconds each quadrant, it goes 45 seconds. So you hit it again, it shuts off. So when you first, it'll remember the setting also. So when you first turn it on, you have a certain amount of time to change the settings. Allows you to go and cycle through. So I'm going to just give you a demonstration of the power of this with some water. Here I have some ordinary water. I'm going to show you what happens. So you see that atomization and the vibration of the water from the tip on there. That's what it's doing with your toothpaste, and it's going to clean your enamel and your gums. Really impressive how much power this unit has. So after testing, what do I think about the Voom Sonic brand? Their Pro 7 Sonic Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush for adults with that amazing 40,000 vibrations per minute, and really powerful like the original Sonicare, and the 5 deep clean modes, and the fact that it'll last for 8 weeks. It's a 4-hour charge. You can't go wrong with this product. I'm really impressed with the quality of it. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.